Boys and girls, it's time for yoga. So today we're talking about Halloween. So our first yoga pose that we're gonna do is a jack-o'-lantern. So what you wanna do is you're gonna come down to the floor on our knees, and then we're just going to bend over and we're gonna touch our forehead to our mat, and then we're just gonna quietly lay there, okay? Ready? Here we go. Go down. And then we're gonna hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then slowly come up. Woo! All right, so that was our jack-o'-lantern. Our second yoga pose is a black Scaredy-cat. So we're going to come down to the mat on our knees, and then we're going to put our hands down on the mat. Make sure your hands are underneath your shoulder. All right, so we kind of look like a cat. Now, when cats get scared, they like to arch their back up. All right, so we're going to try that. So put your head down and we're scared. And you're gonna roll your back up and then come down. Let's try that again. Ready? And we're scared. Arch your back and come back down. All right, one more time. Ready? We're scared. We're gonna arch our back and we're gonna come down. And then slowly roll back up. Great job. All right, boys and girls, and our last yoga pose, it's our third yoga pose, is gonna be a witch flying on a broom. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna spread your legs nice and wide, all right? Like we're standing on a broom. And then we're gonna put our arms out to the side, and we're going to bend one knee, and we're gonna balance on that broom. All right, let's count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Shoo! We didn't fall off the broom. All right, let's do the other side. Ready? And we're going to flip to the other side. All right. Don't fall off. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We did it. Great job.
Okay.
Boys and girls, our fine motor activity today, we need some Play-Doh, a straw or a pipe cleaner, and you could use Cheerios, or I have these Halloween spider and bat rings. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our Play-Doh, and then you want to use your fingers and dig that Play-Doh out. We're working our fingers, making them strong. All right, and then I'm gonna squeeze it together and make a ball. And we can even roll the ball. All right, so there it is. And then we're gonna take our straw or your pipe cleaner and put it down in the Play-Doh to hold it like that. And then we're just going to use our fingers to pinch and pick up our rings, and then we're going to put them on our straw, just like that. Woo! And you could even count how many you have. There we You know, you could do a pattern. Whoops. You could do a spider and a bat, and then a spider, and then a bat. Got 2 more here. Look at that. All right. And why do we do this? Because learning to use our fingers will help us be able to do all kinds of things, like holding a pencil and writing. So keep practicing. Thanks.
Well, boys and girls, it has been a lot of fun hanging out with you. And I hope you have a fun Halloween. Until next time, have fun and stay safe. Bye.